Okay, so I thought I'd come down and show you my mulberry bush here, and I've got it covered so the birds don't take all the mulberries. It's actually only a 2-year-old tree, so this is the second year I've had fruit, but you can see it's pretty laden. I've picked so many already, and when we have an abundance of a crop, it's always the question of what am I going to do with all the berries other than eat them. You can see some beautiful ripe ones there. The little red ones unripe next to it, they ripen up pretty fast. So I'm going to share a recipe for berry pancakes with fresh mulberries and my wild raspberries. I hope you enjoy. So once we have the berries, we set those aside and get on with making the sauce. So that's just a combination there of a little bit of butter and some honey, cooking that on low heat. Then once that's cooking, we get on with making the pancakes, and that's just blending in the jug there with some lovely eggs and yogurt and some almond meal and flour. And of course, flipping the pancake is the fun part, and it's always good when you get a clean flip of the pancake. Using a good non-stick pan is really essential. I like to use the ceramic silicon pans, not the non-stick Teflon ones, so really important to get a healthy pan. Once the pancakes are all done, you can pour the beautiful delicious berry sauce over the top. And I like to top it with all sorts of goodies, so that includes a little bit of ricotta. I also like sometimes to do a natural yogurt. I love cinnamon. Cinnamon's such a beautiful herb that helps with blood sugar regulation, so any of the sweetness in there is also cut through by the cinnamon, and extra nuts and things. So heaps of protein, heaps of nutrients, such a healthy breakfast, very different to normal pancakes, which are full of sugar and refined stuff. So I hope you enjoy.